here we have a Ridge Kudu reverse suede. With these, we care for them with a suede brush. All you do is you wipe over them. I advise you do this every third time of wearing. Just keep all the dust and the grime from when you've been walking about the streets. If you haven't got a brush, you can use Scotch Brite. We've all got it in the cupboards at home. Does exactly the same job. Just wipe over all the grime off it. And there you go. If they go fluffy, you can still use your flame and take all the fluffiness. It's not going to harm your shoe whatsoever, so don't panic. Just do it gradually. With the Vibram sole, we clean it with toothpaste. You can also use spray bleach. I advise you to put that on your cloth first before you put it on here, else you might go onto the suede. I use surgical spirits. It is brilliant. Just a small bit on your cloth, wipe over, and it looks beautiful. Now this goes for any suede we make in Trickers. The Aftercare is exactly the same, so there's no problems in doing what you're doing to these ones.